I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove.
Hey fam, welcome back to this week's weekly reset. Today we are going to be getting this kitchen picked up. I'm also going to be adding some simple Valentine's Day decor, definitely to my coffee bar area. That's the place that I'm really focused on, and just getting the kitchen tackled for the week ahead. Also going to be doing a quick meal prep with you guys. I'll be sharing with you guys what I'll be doing. It's only for a couple of days during the week just to make things a little bit simpler for me. Also, we'll be getting a little bit laundry done at the end. So I hope you guys stay tuned, enjoy watching. Sorry I did not get to put my video up on this past Sunday. I originally was not going to post this week. My daughter had got her hair braided and it just was busy, was dealing with a migraine, but I decided to go ahead and push through, and here we are. So I hope you guys enjoy getting this week's video. Definitely make sure you leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys are up to. I'm not going to be doing too much talking today. I just want you to enjoy the cleaning. So let's get into it.
I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. I'm jealous of the seasons as they change, 'cause they seen you through the rain and you ride through all the waves. I'm jealous of your coworkers all day, 'cause they get to pick your brain. And I know this might sound strange, but don't mention none of your exes. Erase that list, 'cause in my mind I gotta pretend that they just don't exist. Ain't even my fault. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish. All mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. No, don't let nothing take my place. I know it sounds crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish. Oh my, it's supposed to be all mine, mine. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish. All mine.
So come and take the shots with me now, just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots with me now, just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. What's going on with you? I will not love for you. I can't relate, girl, when you say that it was overdue. I play no games for you, girl, what we trying to prove? I had it down, should be down, it's funny I ride with you. It's deja vu, you say it's 'cause you're Gemini. So inconsistent while you anxious, we wasting ammunition. It's deja vu, I knew that you were never mine. So clueless, I guess you will never know. I need you to just be you. When you're playing dumb, I never even notice. but I'ma play the same game with you now. So come and take the shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn right, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn right, I'm sipping on you. I was dumb enough to think that you were always right. I've been tripping on a daily, the devil that you made me. I can't be wanting you to feel me, you so out of line. I'm so done with all your news. Call it deja vu, repeating what I didn't want. So indifferent and I got no emotions now. I know it's deja vu and finally you're never mind. I ain't doing this wrong, not again. I need you to just be you. When you're playing dumb, I never even notice. But I'ma play the same game with you now. So come and take the shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn right, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn right, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no,
It was time to get these florals thrown out. I've had them for about 2 weeks now. I got them from Publix for my anniversary. If you have a Publix in your area, definitely sign up with them. I'm not sure if you know they have like Publix perks. And also you have BOGO, of course. But for Publix perks, on your anniversaries, they give you flowers. Your birthdays, you can get like cake. You have the option of yogurt, ice cream, those type of things.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba 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 da ba ba da ba ba, yeah. Set the potato da ba da. Boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Sabor again. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. Living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I got the bed, the bed. We got girl, I like to trace all the edges of your name, like a map that leads me to nowhere. Oh yeah, I'm so close to let go of the world. Oh no.
This candle just would not let me be great, guys. It would not let me get my moment. But I want to say thank you for watching. If you made it this far, we're reaching the end of the video. If you guys are celebrating Valentine's Day or you have that special Valentine's, happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. I'm going to share my quick little meal prep that I did here. It's just for 3 meals for me through the week, so I don't have to worry about making dinner for myself, so I can watch what I eat. And then also I'll show you guys a little treat that I made for the kids. I made them a big cake, but then I also made them these cute little, what do you call it? My mind went blank, sorry. These cute little red velvet mini heart treats.